Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to see how to create funnel chart in PowerBi. Okay, so let's start. Let's just open our PowerBi editor. Okay, this is our PowerBi editor. Okay, and here you can see here we already make donut chart, pie chart, bar chart, column chart, and slide column chart also. Okay, so let's just quickly import our data. So for that, just click on this get data and select, because my file is CSV, that's why I'm selecting the CSV file. Here's my data. Okay, and I quickly load my data on my PowerBi desktop. Okay, if you want to manipulate your data or do some analysis on your data, or basically which you want to clean your data, then you click on this transform data button. Okay, you just click on this transform data button, otherwise you can just click on load. Okay, so I do not want any changes on my data, that's why I'm just quickly downloaded. Okay, so basically PowerBi desktop is creating one copy of the data set in PowerBi desktop. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the option of funnel chart. Okay, you just need to click on in this visualization pane. Okay, just click on this funnel chart. Okay, so let's just click on this funnel chart and you will get your chart here. So let's just quickly create a funnel chart based on subcategory and sales. Okay, and I will just quickly resize this chart so that it will clearly visible to you. Okay, so this is our funnel chart, and if you want to format this chart, you can go to this visualization pane, go to format your visuals, and here you can change the color of this funnels. Okay, and here the maximum size of funnel is representing the maximum sales, and this size represent, okay, so phone is having maximum sales, and here we have this value is having the minimum sales. Okay, so here it will showing the minimum sales, and here it will show the maximum sales. So this chart is formed in a shape of funnel, that's why it is known as funnel chart. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.